Visualization and neuromuscular reprogramming are powerful techniques that help your body heal by connecting your mind and muscles. When recovering from an injury, these tools can retrain your brain's movement patterns, restore coordination, and rebuild strength, even before your body moves. The concept is simple but profound. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between imagined movement and actual movement. When you visualize a specific action, like lifting your arm, taking a step, or performing a stretch, your brain activates the same neural pathways as if you were physically doing it. This is why visualization can speed up recovery, especially when movement is limited early in rehab. To begin, find a quiet space and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body. Then, picture yourself performing the movement you want to improve, with perfect control, strength, and ease. For example, if you're recovering from a knee injury, imagine bending and straightening your legs smoothly, feeling your muscles activate and your joint move fluidly. The more vivid and detailed the image, the stronger the neural activation. Pair visualization with physical rehabilitation. Before or after doing your exercises, take a moment to mentally rehearse them. This reinforces the connection between your mind and body, helping new movement patterns stick faster. This process is called neuromuscular reprogramming, retraining how your nervous system communicates with your muscles. After injury, your body often develops compensations, where other muscles take over to protect the injured area. Over time, this can lead to imbalance or limited mobility. Visualization, combined with gentle movement, helps correct these patterns by teaching your brain the proper sequence of activation again. You can also use tactile feedback, lightly touching or tapping the muscle you want to activate while visualizing it working. This strengthens the sensory feedback loop between your brain and the muscle, improving coordination and awareness. Another effective method is mirror therapy. If one limb is injured, performing movements with the healthy limb while watching it in a mirror can trick your brain into believing the injured side is moving too. This has been shown to accelerate neural recovery and reduce pain in rehabilitation programs. Consistency is key. Practicing visualization for just a few minutes daily can create lasting improvements in motor control, balance, and confidence. The combination of mental rehearsal and mindful physical practice builds both the brain's map and the body's memory of movement. Visualization and neuromuscular reprogramming remind us that healing is not just physical, it's also neurological. By training your mind, you train your movement. And with every focused thought, you help your body remember how to move freely and efficiently once again.